Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, we have here a HP Chromebook 11 G5. Alright, this Chromebook is a customized enterprise enrollment ChromeOS. So you can see here that there's you have to put exactly the same email of the email organization that customized this Chromebook. Alright, I'm going to show you a way of doing this, of putting a Windows without using the other method. So this other way I'm going to show you, we are going to use the BIOS way of doing this. We are going to change the firmware of the system. When we change the firmware, after we change the firmware, we are going to put in a new firmware. Automatically that new firmware is going to make it in a way that it won't be customized anymore, because I think the way of customizing this Chrome OS, even when you try to install the Chrome OS to a normal Chrome OS, it refuses to enter sometimes. I've noticed it in this system. So the only way I found out on doing this is to change the firmware, because I had a firmware of Mac Chrome OS, so I have to change it to it. So let's get into it. Let's use out the system. Okay, we take up everything. We remove both the board, the motherboard. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. And after that, we have to remove the BIOS chip. Okay. Then we have to take out the BIOS chip. We get to our programming machine and we put in the new firmware. Okay. And it works. It works very well, perfectly. It works very well. That's the network card. That's the power jack. So and this process is helpful. I'm going to also drop the firmware in my video in my OneDrive so that you can use it. Okay, we take off the heatsink and okay, that's the chip. We have two BIOS chips. That's the one we are using, the one with 8 MB. That's the highest. That's the main BIOS chip. Okay, this is the one that contains the firmware. So log it in our programmer. Okay, we're in the system and it's showing. Alright, we have to, no need of saving, or okay, let's just read it. I wouldn't not to read it, but for the sake of the video, let me just read it and save the old firmware in case anything goes wrong. Okay, after this process, we have to save the old bin file. After saving the old bin file, then we put in the new bin file by going to that one. Okay, so you just wait for a while. It should soon be done. Okay, the reading is complete. Alright, let's try to save the file. Okay, let's go to new folder, then that's it. You have to save it. We change the name. We just put old there. Okay, after putting old, save it. We go to open, then we choose the bin file. Okay, that's it. Now we do auto run. Okay, it's processing, so we just wait for a while. It should be done. Okay, this process is quite only for those that are computer specialist, a technician that has you have your tools like your workstation and other equipment, because you can't do this without those tools. Okay, we are done here, so let's return back the chip. So you can see we are using our gun station to heat up the place so that it gets lit. Then mount back the BIOS chip. So the tools you need is necessary. Okay, as a technician you need all those tools. A computer specialist you also need. Alright, so let's test it and see how it is. Okay, we have to couple everything back. That's the sensor, the speaker, the extension, USB, the power jack, that's the camera flex, and the screen flex, the LCD screen flex. Okay, and now we have the battery, we have the network card, also called the Wi-Fi card. So when we are done connecting, we test and we confirm that everything is up. Okay, this process is a very long one. Okay, a very long process. Why? Because you, after doing this, putting a new firmware, okay, putting a new firmware on the system, which is still a ChromeOS firmware. I wish it's a firmware of a Windows firmware. It would have been easier, but it would have been a very short process. But that's say Windows is a Chromebook firmware, so you still have to go to putting your emails. Then after putting your emails, you put your details. Then you get to Mr. Chromebook, you copy out the code, you also set the root admin password, then you run the code. After running the code, you download the new firmware. That's how it's going to work. And if it be that the Chromebook it was disabled, okay, let's see, press Ctrl D on this. Let's see if this was okay. Ctrl D. Want to move to the developer mode. Okay, first we are going to on the verification mode to make sure it's both normal. Okay, it's booting normal. Let's go to developer mode. Okay, Ctrl D, enter. Alright, Ctrl D. Okay, now the user disabled the developer mode, so we have to go back to the verification mode. At this point, we have to put in our details in the verification mode and get to the desktop. Yes, before we can go back to the developer mode. When you get to the desktop, everything about the user setting in a disabling the developer mode will be enabled when you put in your details. That's why I say this process is always long. It's a very long process. Now you have to shut down and you go back again. Right. Ctrl D, enter. Now Ctrl D. Okay, see, we can go into the developer mode after logging in. Put from the verification mode. Okay, from here now you can see other process from here is it's quite the same. All right, what is important in when you're doing a Chromebook, or as I have an enrollment customized OS, is you must change the firmware. All right, or you can change the Windows. So press Ctrl D here. All right. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like my channel, and follow me up for more videos like this. Okay, we're gonna continue. All right, we'll put our details now. Then next thing we have to do is after putting our details, our email and our password, we get to the desktop, which we're doing now is to create a root admin password. After creating a root admin password, we go to Mr. Chromebook site and we download the required we copy out the required code. So when we copy it out, then we go to the terminal, Ctrl-Alt-T to the terminal and type in shell. After shell, we put in the code. All right, so let's copy out the code. All right, let's copy out the code. All right, type in shell. We have already created the root password. Okay, we type it admin. All right, I'm sorry I did not show you guys that part. Okay, then so we have to just wait. Then we are ready now to yes, and we use a flash to back up our firmware. Okay, so press enter and we install here. We start downloading the new firmware. So when it downloads finish, we have to restart the system or reboot the system. Then our firmware will be installed. Okay, so we are almost done. What is remaining now is to put in a new Windows Lite on the system. Okay, so that's our flash. Let's insert our flash drive. Okay, press escape, but menu, then we choose to select a Windows Lite. Okay, so this other process is simple. I'm also going to drop the drivers. Alright, the drivers are the same like the first video I did on Chromebook 11G4. Yeah, the drivers are the same. Okay, I'm still going to drop it for you. Alright, for you to install. As I said, I have the one for the mouse, for the speaker. I have those drivers. Okay, alright, we're almost done here. As I said, please, if this video is helpful and you see it that it can help you in whatever you want to use it for, please do well to subscribe, like, and share my video to your friends, to those that you know that can need it. All right, I appreciate you guys a lot so much for your subscription and for your support, your time for watching my video and learning a lot from here. Or I really appreciate. And also, it's a Christmas period, and also I'm doing a bonus of my office where I sell my systems, my products. I give you a new bag, alright, for patronizing us. So you can slide into our DM to my description of this video. You'll see the link to my Facebook account where we post our products, and you can patronize us, buy any product from us, and get a new bag from us. That's the bonus that is till 25th of this month. Thank you guys. I know you guys are going to patronize. So we're almost done here in this video. Okay, so let's just wait until it gets to the desktop. All right, thank you. Follow me up for more videos. Stay blessed.